So I have a friend. Let's call him Bob. He likes to go skydiving. He likes to cheat death. But he's really cheap. So one time we went up in a plane, and he decided that he was going to skydive, yes, without a parachute. Not a good idea, I said. He said, why not? He said, I think I can do it. I've seen other people live after jumping without a parachute, and I don't want to waste the money. I don't want to take the time to put it on. And I have cheated death so many times, I'll probably live forever. You know how the end of the story goes. Actually, Bob's a fictional character. I don't know anybody who would jump out of a plane without a parachute. But I do know lots of people who don't have an estate plan. They're cheating death. They're like, it won't happen. I'll never die. Or I'll die when I'm 76.2 years old or whatever the life expectancy is. And I don't want to spend the money to get it done. And I don't want to take the time. Well, let me tell you what happens if you die without a will. Best case scenario, it costs you more money on attorney's fees, more money on court fees, and takes longer to get your money to the right people. That's the best case scenario. Other case scenarios, which are a lot less than best, also cost more money and get your kid too much money at the wrong time. They inherit all that money, say at age 18. They get your $500,000, your $1 million, your $12 million at 18, and they'll probably screw it all up and screw their lives up, which is the worst part of it. Then you've got the situation where maybe you had a child out of wedlock. Maybe you had a child before you were married. Maybe you had a child that you didn't even know. And maybe you had a child that you adopted out. Another family actually adopted, but your parental rights were never separated, never terminated. And therefore, that child can still inherit from you. Yes, that's true. Read the Texas Family Code. All right. And let's see, what else could happen? Oh, blended family situation. Husband and wife are married. They're remarried, right? They have kids from previous relationships. Husband passes away. Wife thinks she's going to get the $1 million that they have together combined. But his million doesn't go to her. It goes down to his kids because he didn't do a will. Because he thought he'd never die. He didn't want to take the time. He didn't want to spend the money. So his wife now only has half the money to live on that she had before. Do you think that's what they want? Having no estate plan is like jumping out of an airplane without a parachute. Don't do it. Click below to learn more information and look us up at Massey Law. Have a fantastic day.